Need to share your Facebook profile with someone but don't know where to find your profile link? In this quick guide, you'll learn how to copy your Facebook profile URL directly from the Facebook mobile app in just a few easy steps. The process only takes a minute and works for most recent versions of the app. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once the app loads, tap your profile picture in the top left corner or use the menu if needed to open your personal profile page. Next, look for the three-dot icon beside the Edit Profile button and tap it. This opens your profile settings, where you'll find additional options related to your account and profile. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the profile settings page. Under the Your Profile Link section, you'll see the Copy Link option. Tap it once and your Facebook profile URL will instantly be copied to your phone's clipboard. You can now paste your profile link anywhere you want, including text messages, emails, WhatsApp chats, Messenger conversations, Instagram bios, or other social media platforms. This makes it much easier for friends, family, co-workers, or new contacts to find your Facebook profile without searching for your name manually. If you don't see the copy link option, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version from your device's app store, as menu layouts may vary slightly between updates. And that's it. You've successfully copied your Facebook profile URL. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Facebook tutorials.